Hi, beautiful trends. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend Allure. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. So, in today's video, I'm going to be giving my honest review on Gluta White products. So, this is the Gluta White soap, and here this is the Gluta White whitening lotion. So, I want to be giving my review on the two. If it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. Guys, before we start this video, why don't you leave the video a like so that YouTube can push my videos. So first of all, let's start with the lotion. Okay, so this Gluta White lotion it contains 250 ml, which is, the size is 250 ml. And then they said it is enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E, also contains glutathione and collagen. Seeing this, I would say, yes, this is very beautiful because of the um, glutathione and collagen, because glutathione is very good for the skin, and also collagen helps to tighten the skin elasticity. So it makes you look young. It reduces the appearance of stretch mark, which is why most people that take collagen supplement, it helps them to reduce, that stretch mark line and all that. It's not always there. So one thing about this lotion is that, in as much as they said these are the ingredients, they used, I think there's more. I think there's more because one, this lotion works. But what I don't like about this lotion is the fact that it smells like bleaching cream. When you smell it like this, it doesn't have that effect that much. But by the time you put it on your body, see, yeah, they try to use perfume to reduce the effect of the bleaching effect, like the smell. Oh, it's there. But when you rub it, you will know that yes, it is there. It smells like, there are all these cream that have this bleaching smell. Yeah, like other them Caro White them. That's what it smells like. So at the beginning, you may just say, "Oh, it smells good," but when you use it, like when you apply it very well, you will notice that it has a bleaching ingredient in there. They may not, most times they don't put it in the ingredients for you to see, but smelling it, you would know that yes, this thing will whiten somebody. And yeah, I had people say this thing whitens them. But for this, I don't know if it's going to cause dark knuckles, but for the smell, I would say this thing may cause dark knuckles, and this may cause green vein. I'm just saying this because of the smell. Okay, it has that strong bleaching smell, but then they're using perfume to or fragrance to try to cover it up, but it's actually there. So for the fact that it has vitamin C, vitamin E, it's a very good lotion. It has glutathione and collagen. These are very, very great ingredients, but then the bleaching property they added in there is where the problem is. So I would say this thing is for fair people or chocolate skin that want to be fair. One thing, if you're a light skinned person and you love this and it's not working for you, I would say mix it with a mild oil like let me just, like almond oil, Vaseline oil, cocoa oil, and all that. Just neutral oil that can reduce the effect of the cream. Okay, another thing too is this lotion can be used from head to toe. Yes, you can use it from your face. It's something you can also use from your face. And they also said it contains, yeah, okay, they say you can apply it twice a day for your body, your hands, your elbow, your knees. So they made specifically said twice a day all over your body. So you have to, they said your hands, elbow, and knees, you are supposed to concentrate on it very, very well. So, like I said, this is something that, it's something that's going to whiten the skin or bleach the skin, or I'm not say bleach, let me just say whiten the skin. And they're telling you to concentrate on those places because the ingredient they put in there is something that is going to work for dark elbows, knees, feet. those are the hard place to um those are the hard place in the body to lighten. So you have to use it and massage it in very, very well. If you've tried this out, please leave your comment in the comment section so that we can know if it was good for you. I always pin comments that I know that benefits people. I always pin the comments there. So yeah, I would say if it's something you want to use, dilute it by using oils, okay? Just dilute it because you don't want something that will give you green veins at the end of the day or dark knuckles at the end of the day. So dilute it. Another thing too is that don't use this on your face during the day. So during the day, you can use your sunscreen. Um, at night, use this one. My sunscreen was seized at the airport, so if I've gotten a very good one again, I will come and give you guys a review of my sunscreen. So let's go to the soap. So one thing about the soap I love so much, I always love soap. I've always said before, I love soap. But this soap here contains glutathione and collagen. The same thing the cream does is the same thing with the soap. One thing I love about the soap is that it has some will I call it grains in it. So it's like an exfoliating soap. You can use it all over your body like an exfoliator because it has that, will I call it seeds or grains in it to exfoliate the skin. And then I love the smell. It smells like perfume. It smells very, very well. Okay, so I love the soap very well. It smells great, smells really amazing. And the fact that, yeah, you feel really clean after using it, I'll give the soap a thumbs up. But for this thing, yes, it's going to lighten the skin, it's going to make your skin brighter, but I'm just so scared about the aftermath, maybe the knuckles and all of that. Okay. So if you've used it, let me know if you had knuckles, if you had sunburn. But there are ways, like I said, always use your sunscreen. If you use your sunscreen on your face, on your feet, if you're the type that wears slippers or sandals, then you're not going to have bad effects like sun damage using this product. Okay, because then the sun is protecting you. Then the evening at the night or at night, you now use this one for your face and the feet. So this cream I heard is good and it works very well, but I just have problem with the smell. Yeah, the smell has actually died down, but when you're rubbing it, it smells that bleaching stuff. And this thing contains so much perfume. And most times when it comes to the face, I do not advise product that have so much perfume because for some people it tends to irritate their skin. Most times you may not even know that it's what is happening. It's the perfume or the fragrance that tends to irritate the face. Have you ever smelled, let's say for example, like some people, this foil kerosene or another, when they perceive it, their face tend to itch. It's because of the smell. It affects the skin and then it makes your skin to start itching. Well, these are the products. Okay, and if you want to use it, so you can actually try out the two. If you're the type that don't want to overdo, mix it with oil that is very, very mild. I know of some people that will even go as much as adding crude chemical in this lotion just because they don't want to have green veins. If it's something you want to still try out and you're scared of green veins and all that, you can add Kenako inside. Okay, it prevents you from having stretch marks and green veins as well. There are so many ways you can use product that the product will be very good on your skin. Someone else can use this product and it will be so bad. But there are ways to mix this product that it can benefit your skin. People will be like, are you sure that's what you're using? Because you know what to do in the skin. Like I said, make it mild. If you want to add chemical, you can do it. And there's some people that also want to whiten their skin, even using this thing. There are also ways you can do it. I hope this video was useful to someone. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.